Hi guys, I want to show you two quick methods of removing acrylic craft paint from a plexiglass surface. This is a piece of plexiglass that I would like to use for a paint palette, and I don't want having distractions. I just want a nice clear surface without scratching up my plexiglass. So we're going to use isopropyl alcohol for this, and we're also going to try a method that involves steam. You also may want to use some paper towels and piece of plastic. So let's dive in, shall we? So for the first method, I am just going to pour a little bit of the alcohol on my surface, and I'm going to cover it with plastic, and I'm going to let that just sit while I work on my second method. And so here I have my second piece of plexiglass that we're going to use the steam with. And so now I'm just going to take this phone stand and use it to distance myself between the steam. Is that what I'm doing? So I'm just going to use this to hold the plexiglass over the steam. I found that this method works pretty good. Okay, so is there steam coming? Yes, there is. So one recommendation that I saw said that you should do this for about 5 minutes. So we're going to put 5 minutes on the clock and I'll be right back, okay? So I've been holding this for about a minute and I have noticed that there was some kind of warping going on. So the plexiglass was trying to curl out on the sides. And so actually, if you just saw that, yeah, so I don't know if you just saw this pop up and down, but it has started to curl out on the sides. And so when I take it away from the steam, it actually goes back to the original shape. So yeah, there was a dip in the middle, but now that I hold it a little bit further away from the steam, the plastic goes right back to where it was, which is very interesting. Okay, so it's been about 5 minutes and I've been concentrating the steam in this quarter of my square here. So let's take off the plexiglass from the stand here and see how we did. The reason why I'm wearing these gloves is just to protect my skin. If I didn't explain, just to protect my skin from the alcohol, because the alcohol can be quite drying, right? Okay, so now I'm just gonna go ahead and take some alcohol and put it in the area where I had majority of my steam. So that's about here. And also I'm gonna just saturate a paper towel. Let's see how much elbow grease is involved with this process. Okay, wow. So we got some action. Okay, so it looks like the steam where I had it concentrated at really helped to loosen up the paint. So it's almost just wiping away, kind of like how you would use acetone to get rid of nail polish. I really didn't think it was gonna come off so easily. Okay, I see where it would need a little bit more steam. Not bad, not bad. I'm really surprised that it's kind of coming up. It's not like 100%. Oh, okay, I'm just using my fingernail and that's just coming right up. Cool. It's gonna be a little harder to get off here. As I said, I concentrated my steam here, so I really don't think that's gonna come off. Yeah, that didn't get the steam. So let's check out the other method we got our first plexiglass that we used the plastic on. I'm just going to put a little alcohol on my paper towel here and let's check it out. So this method does not involve steam. It just involves alcohol and sealing that in with the plastic and letting the alcohol work its magic. So if you can see, there's a lot of wrinkling going on. So the alcohol did some stuff. Okay, I did like 1 or 2 wipes and that was kind of amazing actually. My camera went out on me on that wipe, that first wipe. I hope you guys didn't miss it. I'm gonna have to go back and see what the editing picks up, but wow. Okay, so as you remember seeing, I just concentrated the alcohol right here. I just poured it in the middle and then it kind of spread out a little bit with the plastic being flattened out on top. But that method is amazing. So I could just put alcohol over the whole thing, cover it with saran wrap, come back, and the whole thing would probably just wipe clean. That was probably the best, easiest method and the least elbow grease, and I don't have to worry about burning myself with steam. So plastic and alcohol. And so that's a wrap for this video. Thank you so much for watching. If you have another way of doing this, then please share with me in the comments below. And until next time, peace, guys.